How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our K-Force tow light bars. So we offer these in our K-Force 55 and K-Force 65 sizes here. And when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness, and you'll have a connector here. And this is to be used with our optional Supreme control box, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your two main power cables here, and then you'll have your white backlight LED Hardwire function. And then you'll have your aux line here, where you can connect up to 10 amps of extra lighting off of your optional Supreme control. And then since these are tow models, you'll have your stop tail turn functionality. Now with your optional Supreme control box, you'll have your 3-position slide switch here, and then you'll have your mode button where you'll have dual flash pattern memory. Here you'll have your pattern changer button, your aux button, your takedown and alley buttons, your cruise functionality, your dim function, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar, your center out left right and right left traffic advisor, and your backlight LED button. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the functions. So for example here, I'm using our K-Force 55, but our K-Force 55 and 65 will function this same way. And I'm using our optional Supreme control box. So here, you'll have your 3-position slide switch. So in position 1, that will activate the back of your light bar. Position 2 will activate the front of your light bar, and position 3 will activate your light bar in 360 mode. Now here you have your mode button. When this is inactive, you're in mode 1. Now when I turn this button on, I'll have my second flash pattern, so I have dual flash pattern memory, and I'm in mode 2. And you have dual flash pattern memory in each slide position. And then here you have your pattern changer button, your aux button, your takedown and alley button. So you'll see your 2 white takedowns in the front, your 2 side alley lights, and since this is a tow model, you'll have your 2 rear work lights that activate off of your alley switch. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade here. And then here you have your cruise function, which will activate your 4 corner LEDs in steady burn. And then here you have your dim functionality, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar. And then here you have your center out, left right, and right left traffic advisor. And then here you have your backlight LED button, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box. And you can activate this function via your button here, or you can use your white cable to hardwire. Now since these are tow light bars, you will have your stop tail turn functionality. So your red cable will activate your left module, your black cable will activate your right module, and your yellow cable will activate both modules. Now while you have your yellow cable activated and you apply your red or black cables, you'll see that the intensity of your LEDs will increase. When it comes to activating the backlight LEDs on your switch box, you can use your backlight LED button here, or you can use your white cable to hardwire this function. Now if you use your white cable, your button will become inactive. So you can either use your white cable to hardwire, or you can use the button on your control box. When it comes to mounting your light bar, you'll have your pre-attached light bar feet here, which are adjustable along the bottom slide track of your light bar. And then you'll have your included universal gutter mount brackets, and we do offer optional vehicle-specific gutter mount brackets as well. And then you'll also see our optional headache rack mount brackets and our optional permanent stud mount brackets. And to attach these, you'll remove your light bar feet and use the existing hardware here. So that covers our K-Force tow light bars. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also use our interactive player to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.